Hey there, fellow riders. Huggin Juggs here, back with another review. If you've been following my journey for a while, you know that I've been on a mission to turn my 2022 Harley Davidson Street Bob 114 into the ultimate bagger. First, I reviewed Darken Hard Bags by Viking Bags. Today, we're going to level up this touring capacity with 3 new products. The first product is going to be this steel foldable Sissy bar. The second product is going to be the backrest pad that goes on the Sissy bar. And the third thing we're going to talk about is my personal favorite, the Viking Bags Backpack Sissy Bar Bag. Let's gear up and see how this has been game-changing in the way that I take my bike and turn it into the ultimate mini bagger touring machine.
Here's a sneak peek at the final setup. All 3 pieces installed and ready to ride. The steel Sissy bar gives the bike a whole new profile. The backrest pad adds serious comfort, and that Sissy bar bag, yep, she's coming through with space and style. Let's rewind it back and break it all down, starting in the garage with unboxing. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. Everything arrived well packaged, with each piece individually wrapped to prevent scratches during shipping. You've got the foldable Sissy bar, the backrest pad, all the mounting hardware, and, of course, the Viking Bags backpack style Sissy bar bag. Everything feels solid right out of the box, and it's clear that these are built with both form and function in mind. Now that we've got it all unpacked, let's get this gear installed. Installing the Sissy bar was pretty straightforward, but I definitely recommend having your tools ready and a second pair of hands to help with lining everything up. It can be a little tricky to hold everything in place while lining up the bolts, especially if you're working around existing accessories. If you're running saddlebags like I am, you'll also need longer bolts. The ones that come with the Sissy bar are a bit too short to work with the added depth. Once the bar is in place, we moved on to attaching the backrest pad. It connects using the supplied bolts and brackets, and everything tightens down cleanly. The install itself doesn't take long, but take your time getting everything lined up just right. Make sure to adjust the height of the pad to match your passenger for maximum comfort before locking it in. After a quick test ride on the highway, I could already tell that this setup was solid, especially once I checked the mirrors and saw that the bag was holding on tight at 65 miles an hour. This looks like the perfect spot to park it and give you all a full breakdown of all 3 products, how they feel, how they function, and what my favorite features are. Here's another look at the full setup. Now that we've hit the road, let's walk through all the features and see what each piece brings to the ride. Let's start with the Sissy bar itself. This is the iron-bored blade 25-inch Sissy bar with a foldable luggage rack, designed specifically for the Harley Softail Street Bob. It is made from 5/8-inch round bar steel and finished in a rust-proof matte black paint that's as tough as it looks. You can see the sleek bend at the top, which gives the bar a pointed, aggressive silhouette while still staying functional. The rear height hits right at 25 inches from the base, which is perfect for giving your passenger added support or just leveling up the overall aesthetic. The foldable luggage rack is rated to hold up to 7 pounds. That means it's great for extra gear, tools, or a smaller pack, but not meant for full touring bags. Here I've set a full face helmet on it just for a size visual and added a capacity for gear is perfect for long trips. The folding mechanism is easy to use, and that steel construction gives it a sturdy feel with zero wiggle when locked in place. Next up is the Viking iron-bored backrest pad, made from durable Viking leather with a sleek tombstone-style silhouette. It's designed to fit perfectly on Viking's foldable Sissy bar and comes with 2 universal brackets for a secure mount. It has a clean, classic finish, and honestly, it blends perfectly with the rest of the build. Now let's talk about the real MVP, the Viking Bags Sissy bar bag. The texture material looks sharp, and the reflective logo adds a touch of safety and style. When zoomed out, it gives the bike a clean, tour-ready finish. Let's walk through the black Trident Sissy bar backpack, a weather-resistant, tour-ready bag with over 1,950 cubic inches of space. Starting from the rear, you'll get a full view of its sleek, structured build. On one side, there's a cup holder, perfect for your coffee mug, and a zippered pocket right behind it for easy access items. The front has Velcro compartments, great for snacks, tools, or anything you'll want on hand fast. On the other side, there's a mesh pocket that snugly holds a water bottle and another set of front pouches for additional gear. Around back, there's also a padded zipper pocket that works well for a tablet or small laptop. Inside, there's a bright red lining that makes it easy to find whatever you need. At the bottom, there's a dedicated shoe compartment. And up top, the main storage space includes a padded laptop sleeve with room for larger essentials. Whether you're riding or roaming, this bag is built to keep up. To mount the bag, I placed it directly on the passenger seat for extra support. Then I secured it using the included loops and buckles, making sure everything was snug and stable before hitting the road. To remove the bag, I just unbuckled the straps from each side. You'll want to unfold the luggage rack first if it's not already open. That gives you easier access to the mounting loops. Then it lifts right off the passenger seat, no hassle. Now, when you're ready to head off the bike and walk somewhere, you just untuck the backpack straps from the rear pocket of the bag. Then you clip each one into the hooks on each side of the base of the bag. And just like that, it's ready to wear. Throw it on your back and you're good to go. This is where function meets freedom. And here's the real test. A sharp turn with the full setup locked in. There's no wobble and there's no shift. Just smooth handling and solid gear from start to finish. With everything locked in now, I'm headed out to pick up my passenger, and we're really going to put this setup to the test, 2-up style. Now it's time for the ultimate passenger test. You can see how easy it is to hop on, and even through a few turns and curves, the Sissy bar and backrest pad stays solid, offering real comfort and support the entire ride. Whether you're riding solo or 2-up, this setup holds strong. This wouldn't be complete without the passenger stamp of approval on this full setup.
And there you have it. Installing the Viking bags folding Sissy bar, the Viking bags Sissy bar backpack, and the Sissy bar pad on my 2022 Street Bob 114 Cruiser has leveled up my touring capabilities and officially made it my little mini bagger. If you're looking to upgrade your touring capabilities on your Harley Davidson Cruiser without sacrificing style, go check out the links in the description below to get them for yourself. Stay safe and keep it rebel.